So a few days ago, Emotiva sent me this box in the mail. Had no idea it was coming, had no idea what was inside. There's no phone call, no email, nothing, just this package left on my doorstep. Now I've already gone ahead and opened it, but let me just say this prototype product that they have sent is something that the audio community has been needing for a long time. Now Emotiva is one of the better known names in the home theater and audio community, and much like you guys, Emotiva is the bread and butter of my home theater. I've had the pleasure of reviewing the XPA DR3 and the XPA 7 for the past few months in my setup. In my home theater, these amps have given way to the most subtle details and nuances, yet when I want to jam, these really bring the power. Now after receiving this product and speaking with my contact at Emotiva, he said that they've had this special project on the books for years, but never had the funding or engineering capacity to make that happen until now. So while everyone has been loafing around at home on quarantine, the guys over at Emotiva have been busting their buns on this idea that they've had baking in their heads for years. They may have gone a little against the grain, but this will crush the competition unless they can drastically slice their prices. So it is my honor to introduce to you guys the Emotiva XBT1, the start to the day that every audio enthusiast needs. Whether you use butter or peanut butter, jelly or jam, the XBT1 will deliver that perfect piece of toast sporting the elegant Emotiva logo on the side. With the dual slot design and gain knob on the side, you'll be able to fine-tune two pieces of bread at one time. Located on the bottom is a crumb tray for crumbs. And don't let its size fool you, this little guy is pushing out nearly 700 watts to get your buns toasted. Not to overlook safety, there is a cancel button on the side in case things go awry. So whether you're a home theater enthusiast, two-channel fanatic, or just appreciate good audio, there's no better sound to start your day than the Emotiva XBT1, making the perfect toast on time, every time. Alright guys, so obviously Emotiva does not have the XBT1 for sale on their website. This was just an April Fool's joke that they did a few years back. Apparently they had some left over and they decided to send me one as a prank, so thank you guys for the free toaster. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, just something a little lighthearted since we're all stuck here at home. I do have some videos on Emotiva's actual products, and I'll leave links down in the description below on these two amplifiers. I'm also going to have some follow-up videos on OSD's 230-pound amplifier coming up very soon, as well as some other non-audio related projects that I've been doing around the house. So trying to get some things done since we're all stuck here at home, but I hope you guys are staying healthy. Thank you for checking out Life of Bliss, and I will see you guys soon.
I said my chew.
What do you think you're doing? Are you gonna do the video?
I said chew.
Yeah?
I'm not to video. I'm not getting video.
You're just here for the toast?
No. Not it.
You just want the toast?
Yeah, I'll bite. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I got.
This is pretty good. Say thanks, Emotiva.
Thank you, Taylor.
Peanut butter or some jelly or some butter?
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 Yeah.
Butter my buns and call me a biscuit.
Oh, toast.
There you go. Oh, don't just lick the butter off. There you go. We got a lot of toast to eat, son. Hope you're hungry. Oh, you're just gonna dip it in there? You know?
Is that butter?
Yeah, it is butter. Hey, can you look at the camera and tell everyone bye?
Bye.